I'm going to show you 10 awesome crafts and accessories that you can make using your everyday objects. Let's get into this. Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Monthly Motivation. I'm Green Tibbs, and today I'm going to be showing you some awesome crafts and reusable things that you can turn into your everyday plant accessory. Let's just jump right into this video and start with the very first craft that you can make out of your own everyday items. Hit it! Right, so our very first craft involves an orange juice jug, just like this one. We're going to turn this into a watering can. Alright, so first you need to get your watering can, of course, and you're going to want to try to put a hole in the top of the cap. So you're going to want to take the cap off, of course. And then, see? You're going to want to go ahead and just take a push pin and just simply push it through until you have a big enough hole. Now that I have a big enough hole, you can just simply put it back on the cap. Or on top of the bottle, sorry. Now you've got a fully functional watering can. Alright, so the next craft we're going to make involves a water bottle, and it needs to be empty. So I'm just going to go ahead and just drink it.
Many months later.
Alright, so we're going to turn this empty water bottle into a propagation cup. Here's how. So you're going to want to take a water bottle. It should probably look like this one. Take some scissors. Simply just cut the water bottle in half. Like so. Now you've got the bottom half. So it should look like this. Now once you've done that, you probably want to pour some water in there. Now that you poured it in there, you can just put any cutting that you want into the plastic bottle. And that's your final result. This craft really helps the environment because you're limiting the amount of plastic that you're putting into the wasteland. So now you're left with the top part of the water bottle. So I don't really have a certain craft that you can do with this. But I mean, the ideas are limitless. You can do whatever you want with this. Get creative, okay? There's so many options you can do. Experiment with the bottle and have some fun. So the next craft I'm going to show you involves using a cardboard roll. This needs to be the kind that you get from gift wrapping paper, so yeah. We're going to turn this into a plant stake. Let's go find out how you do that. First of all, you're going to want to straighten out the roll so it looks nice, at least. It needs to look like one full roll, like so. Then you're going to want to twist it so the roll is really tight. And because the more you roll it, the tighter it gets and the stronger it gets. So now I've rolled it well enough. I mean, it seems pretty good. I think oh. Take a piece of tape now and just put it on the cardboard roll so that it keeps the cardboard roll tight. Now you've got the stake for your plant. I mean, it also isn't a bad sword. I mean, I would use this for a sword because it seems pretty cool. I mean, honestly, this isn't that bad of a sword. I mean, yeah, I would use it for a sword. Take it. Take that. Take that. Take that. Take that. Take. That's what you get. That's what you deserved. I also want to give credit to my super awesome Tiger auntie. That was quoted, okay? Don't judge me. For coming up with this idea. She's, so awesome, okay? Her big brain thought of this idea, so I'm really happy that she did that. When I saw her come up with this idea, I was like,
Oh my god!
so thank you so much. You're awesome.
First, put some dirt in the container like so. Then put your cuttings into the container. I can fit 3 string of pearl cuttings, but that's just for the string of pearls. You can probably fit as many as you want for other cuttings. So now you've got this awesome container that you can use to propagate your plants. And the best thing, you can literally abandon it for like 4 months if you have water in it, like Verde Alco did. So yeah, dope. And plus, it's reusable. Win-win.
The next plant accessory that you can make involves a Pringle cup, kind of like this one. You see what I mean? You can make a pot that you can put a plant in, or it can also be used as a propagation cup. I'll show you in this clip right here.
So with this container, or this Pringle container, you can put almost anything in there. The options are endless. You can either poke holes in the bottom for drainage holes, or you can just use it as a propagation cup, which is pretty cool. You can put soil in there, water in there, because they're both water resistant. You can put drainage holes, like I already said. Put cuttings in there, it's endless. This is like a awesome option to save the environment.
So now I'm going to show you how to turn one of these into an awesome decorative pot for your plants.
Why throw your old empty tissue box away when you can use it as a beautiful and colorful decorative pot for your plants? For example, you can take the Pringle pot and just simply put it into the tissue container, like so. It fits, and it looks wonderful. I mean, who wants to throw this away? I mean, come on. I mean, it can also even fit other things besides just the Pringle container. I mean, this tissue box can even fit, like, the water bottle thing that I was showing you earlier. You can really just, like, somebody just put it in there, like so. I mean, this is just so cool.
Our 7th accessory that I'm going to be showing you uses a plastic bag. If you're not already recycling it or reusing it, I mean, I reuse plastic bags a lot because there's no reason to throw them away. You can use them over and over again until they break. But if you end up wanting to throw it away when it's intact, here's one thing you can do with them.
Blank screen. Blank screen. Just kidding. Okay. So, this can actually be used. So you know how when you're propagating your plants and you want to keep that humidity in there? Well, this can be used to cover the pot, to keep the humidity in the pot. Let me show you what I mean right now. Let me just get the pot really quickly. Can't reach it. Ah, there you go. Okay. So now that I've got it, watch this. You can just simply put it over like so. I mean, literally that easy. And the best part, if it's a Ziploc bag, you can literally just like tighten it because it has the zipper thing. It's like the Ziploc thing, you know what I mean? And you can literally just tighten it to adjust the size. It's like so cool. See, watch. Boop, like that. Just so cool. It's like perfect fit. I mean, this is dope. It's like awesome. And you don't even have to do it for just the pot. You can also do it for example, the Pringle thing that I was showing you. You can use it for the Pringle container. Or another option, you can also use it even for the water bottle. I mean, literally, the options are endless for this plastic bag. It's just so cool. Like, I can't even tell you the limits. That's why plastic bags are really useful.
Our 8th accessory involves a toothpick. Simple toothpick. I would kind of consider this a craft, but you're not really like turning the toothpick into anything. But this one involves the water bottle that we cut into half, so I'm going to show you it right now.
So of course you want to get your toothpicks, like I'm showing you right now. Depends how many toothpicks you need, because how many things you're going to be propagating, so how many toothpicks you need, so yeah, whatever. Take your empty water bottle that you have, that we did in the previous craft. Simply just cut, maybe probably like 2 centimeters down into the water bottle, like so. because you're gonna simply be like sliding the toothpick in between those slits. So yeah, just simply like that. So, and then you're just gonna just put the toothpick in like so. In the demonstration right here, and just put that in there. See how it's in there? Now we end up with this really cool design where you can simply just put your cuttings here like so, just pour the water really quickly to the container like so, and see how the toothpicks help stabilize the cutting so it doesn't fall in.
So now I'm going to show you how to turn this rubber band into a substitution for plant tape.
So what you're going to do is you're going to want to try to take a vine plant like so. This is the philodendron Brazil. You're going to want to wrap the rubber band around a plant stem and also the stake too. And you can also double loop it to make it even more stable. I double looped it for double stability.
Last but not least, we have the paper clip.
So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your paper clip, of course, duh, and then you're just going to simply use it to stabilize the cutting onto the plastic water bottle. You can also transform it or reshape it to fit onto the plastic water bottle or the container, like so. See? It worked out for me. Holds onto the cutting perfectly so it doesn't fall into the water and rot. Awesome substitution for clips.
Anyway guys, that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. I would appreciate it. And also subscribe if you haven't already. And also, go ahead and check out my channel if you haven't already. It's pretty dope. I have lots of cool content. And I'm looking forward to create more in the future. Don't forget the hashtag stay healthy. And I'll see you all later. Peace.